Joining us now are Charlie Bobrinskoy from Ariel Investments and Julian Emanuel from Evercore ISI. Good afternoon to you both, gentlemen. Julian, you're here with me on set. I want to start with you. The fact that we saw all the major averages end a second day in the green, except the small caps, but overall pretty broad-based rally here. Your take on the market action as it currently stands?
Look, we have to be perfectly upfront here. The market has taken a lot of bad news, a ton of bad news. And it's not at all clear that as much as people want to think that the financial turmoil is over, that it's over. But the fact is that I think coming into this crisis several weeks ago, people were defensively positioned, and that has been part of the narrative. And of course, with yields coming in, you've had lots of buying in the NASDAQ.
It's pretty incredible. I mean, the S&P ending today at 40.50. To your point, the NASDAQ more than 20% up from the lows. And I know some people are calling that a bull market. I'm going to hold off and refrain from doing that. But on the one hand, you have that dynamic. And then on the other hand, you have this banking crisis, which maybe it's over, but we don't fully know yet, right?
We don't. And actually, we suspect there's another, at least, let's say, half a shoe to drop. The fact that it could have been sort of swept away as quickly as that, they acted very quickly, but these things never tend to just be sort of one-and-done type events. And there's clearly fragility in the system that we didn't think was there a month ago. So it's something to look out for. But again, to your point, lots of resilience in pockets of the market, and that is encouraging. Yeah.
Charlie, tomorrow we're going to be watching for PCE, that key inflation reading that the Fed is so keyed in on. And then we get earnings starting next month. It's incredible. We're at the end of the first quarter right now. What are you watching? What is the next big catalyst, whether it's higher or lower, for the major averages?
Well, the good news is that people are very pessimistic. If you look at how stocks are trading, it's anything that's at all cyclical is cheap, and people have rushed to safe stocks, to growth stocks that are supposed to be less affected by the economy. So I do think we are set up for some good news if we got it. I think people are overconfident that we're going to have bad news. So what could that good news be? If we get a decent PCE number tomorrow, which I would say shows that inflation is declining, we're not going to get to 2% this year. The Fed's not going to get what it wants. But if we can get down to, say, the reasonable chance of 3 to 4% this year, then I think the Fed, which is now realizes it can't screw around with interest rates and cause a rush on the banks, if they will acknowledge that, we could actually be set up for some good news. We not fighting the Fed, not having to worry about the Fed making the yield curve even more inverted. All of that would have a very positive outlook on the stock market, in my opinion.